Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wig without using a closure and without ventilating. So basically this tutorial is just for those people who can't afford a closure and they can't ventilate. If you enjoyed this video or if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first step I'm going to do is to cover my canvas block with this polythene bag because I'm going to use a glue. I don't want the glue to get to my block. I'll be using this cap for this tutorial. Make sure the cap that you're using has a lace on it, and I advise you to use a dome cap instead of this cap. I feel like the glue can stick better on the dome cap other than this cap. So make sure the dome cap that you're using has a lace on it, or you can sew a lace on the dome cap. This is the hair that I'm going to use. It's called True Me, and one pack was enough. I have longer and short bundles, so if you want your wig to look full and longer, you start with the long one, the long bundle at the bottom, so that it makes the wig look longer. There are two types of this glue. There's a Lanelle and Excel, but I always prefer this one because it's kind of perfumed. The other one smells like urea or ammonia. Yeah, so I prefer this one because it's perfumed. So the next step you're going to do is to apply the glue on the tracks and then glue them down on the cap. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing. I was pinning the hair down as I glue it because I didn't want it to, to slide because of the paper that is inside. It kind of makes it slippery. So as you glue it down, pin it so that don't have to repeat the process again and again. And then it just dries after some few seconds, but then you can use a blow dry to just quicken up the process. It creeps on back to shape my smile. And when it comes to glue method, I really don't always like it because I don't feel like it can last longer compared to when you sew it down. It quickens up the process of making the wig, but it's not like the best method. I still prefer sewing, yeah, but this is the quickest method and the beginner friendly method. I was gluing down like 2 fingers apart at the back, but now when you come closer to the front part of this hair or the top part of the hair, make sure you glue the hair together because you don't want the cap to be seen. Now, so right now I'm going to glue them close to each other. So to create a parting, I'm going to use a string just to guide me on where I'm not supposed to glue the hair. So if you're using straight hair, make sure the string is narrow. And then if the hair is curly or curvy or an afro, then you can use 3 or 4 strings because you want someone to see the parting and make the wig look natural. So this is how you're going to glue down the hair on the parting. Cut them like this and then glue them close to each other.
sounds wrong to say. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
I accidentally deleted the video where I was doing the top part of this wig, but then I'll just use this clip from one of my videos. So what I did, I just like glued the hair in a circle.
No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth.
If you want to make this part at the top to look more natural or flat, you can either use a flat iron or you can just use like an iron box to, you know, make that part flat. And that's what I did, like literally.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. Oh, now I know the
So that was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, or if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.